Nice.
You know what you're doing.
I've been on the ignorant end of one of these things more times than I can.
That's some nice work, sir.
That's great.
I want to know how effed this is here.
Did we leave that there?
That's the mad mystery right now. I want to take it out, but
Why?
I would, because it's not that bad.
Why would you take it out?
yeah, it's not very heavy. It's not thick.
It's just a skim coat.
Yeah.
It probably needs to be redone anyway.
Yeah, the whole damn car is going to get skim coated basically at this point.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
That'll be the best way to handle it.
Right on it. Coming along pretty nice.
Hey, a couple of pinholes, though.
Not bad.
I think that's about it.
Nice.
Yeah, you see what I mean? I wanted that thin, light, because this is sheet metal.
Yeah,
You've been doing these really high beams.
it gets up high. It builds up too fast.
Yeah, and then it's a bugger to cut down. And then by the time you cut it down, you got a bunch of pinholes.
Yeah.
So,
You're good at that. You are better at that part than I am.
that's too far away. No, that's not a pinhole. Well, that looks like a pinhole. It's not a pinhole anymore.